Hey guys, it's Tanaya. Welcome to my channel. I just got the biggest order for my business since we opened about a year and a half ago. Almost November will be 2 years. This person ordered 12 items and it was over $100 in one order. This is the first time my business, Nirvana Beauty, has ever done that. If you guys don't know about my business, I sell strip lashes. I also sell matte liquid lipsticks, and I sell some lash extension products like lash cleanser because I am also a lash technician. So yeah, and more products are going to come because it's basically going to expand into a full-blown cosmetics line. So I just figured I'd hop on here and show you guys another shipping video. I'm just shipping a larger order. Hopefully I can answer any additional questions from my last shipping video. And just to kind of like document, like, we just got our largest order ever. And I'm so freaking excited. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I'm basically in my extra room where I do my lash services, and also if I have to ship out any orders for my business, I'm in here. So I'm on my my Shopify, and I am going to basically walk you guys through again about how to ship an order, but I'm gonna show you a little more things that you can do, because I may have to use a different package size, and I'll just show you guys how you can change the different package types that you can use. So for example, just to show you the different type of poly mailers, just to show you guys the different type of poly mailers that I have already. This is the largest size that I have. I don't have the dimensions as of right now. I'll have to check Amazon because I got this off Amazon. And I have this size. Now this size, I do have the dimensions. This one is the 8.5 by 11 inch. And then I have the 6 by 9 inch. I started off with these. And then like a month or two ago, I had got the 8.5 by 11. Just in case when people order a lot of stuff, you know, I have bigger packaging. And then I also like grabbed these. So I have 3 different sizes. I only have these 2 on the site, meaning when you have a Shopify store, there is a back end, there's shipping settings. So you can go in your settings under shipping, and you can enter in the different type of packaging that you will use for different orders. So when an order comes through, I'll show you guys, you can literally change. So like on default, it'll be this poly mailer for her order, but I can go in the drop down, since I already have uploaded this size. I can say, oh, you know what, she ordered a lot of stuff, I'm actually going to use this. It'll adjust the shipping rate, because when you put in a new type of packaging that you're using, you weigh it with the scale, you tell Shopify the inches, you know, the length by width, and that's pretty much it. So they will readjust what the shipping rate is. So if you sold shoes and clothes and accessories, and you had different types of packaging, you know, available just in case somebody just ordered accessories or somebody just ordered shoes, you can upload those different type of packaging options that you have, you know, and stop. So what I'm gonna do is click on this order for today, and I'm just gonna show you guys yeah, I can basically, I'm going to try to see if I can just block out her information, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so her information would normally be on this side. I'm just using my phone to cover it. So as you can see, it's 1,075. That's the order number, the date, the time that it was that it went through, that she purchased. So it'll show as unfulfilled on Shopify here. So she ordered 12 items. So she got the London Lash, Paradise, Serenity, the Running Late Lash, and then she got some of my matte liquid lipsticks, 3 of those, and then some more lashes, and then another matte liquid lipstick. And then just shows you what the total is that she paid for it. And on this side over here is her information. Scroll down towards the end, you can also see the fraud analysis. So it just looks at, does her billing match her shipping? Does the billing match the card that she used? You know, the shipping match the card that she used. It's going to tell you if it's low risk, medium, or high risk. For fraud, it tells you the conversion summary for this person. This is her first order. Her first session was from Instagram. So she found out about my store from Instagram, and she came onto my site twice within 18 days. So that's basically how she found out about my site and how long it took her to convert, which means buy from my site. When you're ready to do the order and package it up, you want to press click shipping label here, create shipping label, So just to block her information. So her information is basically going to be right here, and this is just like what she ordered with the weight of it and how many she got. So over here, it's a really cool feature that I like. It's called shipping date. So this is basically saying today she's going to get an email that her order has shipped. You can change this. If you know that you're going to the post office tomorrow or the next day or next week, you basically can choose what day you want your customer to get that email that their order shipped out. So I'm going to go to the post office tomorrow. So I'm going to put Thursday. So even right here it says email shipment details to customers on July 23rd. You can check this or uncheck it. So you can choose whether or not you want your customers to get an email. I think it's a nice touch, and I think you should do that. And just below it, it shows you what the shipping is, and then you click buy one shipping label. Okay, so once you get to this next screen, you're going to press print shipping label, and then you can also print the packing slip that you can put inside of your poly mailer, and then you're all set. Okay, you guys, so I got, just show you guys, so I got, this is all of her stuff. So she got about like 7 lashes and 4 of our matte liquid lipsticks, and then I'm just throwing in a free lash tweezer. So when she goes to apply her lashes, you got a nice tweezer. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put all of this in the poly mailer. I'm gonna print the shipping label and the packing slip, and we're gonna get going. Now I was moving too fast and I didn't show you guys how you can switch out how you can switch out the label, but I'm gonna go into the settings and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it that way, because there's more than one way to do it. But let me just print out the packing slip and everything in the shipping label and then get this together. Okay, now that I got the shipping label printed out and I also have the packing slip printed out, I'm just going to put all of her supplies inside of here, and then I'm going to put the shipping label on the front. I'm actually just going to do the shipping label first, just so it's like nice and straight and neat, and just pop it on here like so. So shipping labels on here. I get these little half sticker papers from Amazon. You can just type in shipping label paper on Amazon. Super easy. Poly mailers you can get off of Amazon, and a scale you can get off of Amazon, and they're all like pretty affordable prices, because what you're going to need to ship your stuff out is you're going to need poly mailers or boxes, whatever you're using to ship your stuff out. You're going to need shipping label paper. You don't want to like print your shipping labels on regular printer paper and then taping it on. Just get the ones that are already are sticky. Makes your life a lot easier and things go quicker. Of course, you're going to need your printer, your computer, and then you also want to have like a little thank you card inside of your packaging, and if you want to include business cards as well. So you want to have something cute like that in your packaging too. So I'm just going to stick the thank you card in here. Also has a coupon code which encourages your customer to shop again with you, because they're getting like an exclusive discount that nobody else is getting. Only, you know, someone who shopped with you is getting that particular code, and usually that code is for a higher amount off than people on your email list will get, or people that may stumble upon your Instagram or something like that. So they're pretty much getting like something, you know, just for them. Just like to say thank you for supporting me, really appreciate it. Here's a little something to get something else if you were eyeing it. So all of her products fit in this. This is the 8.5 by 11 poly mailer, which I'm really happy because it's 7 lashes and 4 lippies. Now I know that definitely fits in this one. I don't have to use the super large one. you know, but I wouldn't have mind if I had to use that one. I'm just glad I have it. It's always good to have like different size poly mailers on hand too, because you really never know like what you're gonna wake up to and be surprised with. That's like the plus about an online business. And you just never know who's gonna order from you and how much they're gonna like your brand and like the products you sell, and they're filling your website and they feel like they know you, they trust you, and they're willing to spend their money with you. I would have never guessed that I would have gotten an order of this size from someone, and she's actually someone that I did lash extensions on, because when I saw the name I was like, it looks so familiar, and she was one of my lash extension clients. So it just makes it even more special. So I'm really excited about this turning point in my online store. So I do have multiple streams of income, you guys. I have the online store where I sell strip lashes and lippies, and soon it's going to be gloss. Can't wait till I get to the point where it's eyeshadow and I have like a, you know, a full-blown line where you could do a full face and brow makeup and things like that. But everything in time. And then I also do lash extensions, and I have a full-time job. So, and I do YouTube. So I'm trying to get back into my consistent YouTube days that I used to do a couple years ago. So now this order is pretty much done. I can just take this off and just close it on up, and then I will drop this off first thing in the morning before I go to work, and that order is set and done. So shipping out orders really isn't difficult. I am going to go into my settings and show you guys how you can add a different size poly mailer to your back end of your store. So if somebody orders something really small, because I do have another size I didn't show you guys, and I wanted to use this 4x8 inch poly mailer that I have. When I first launched, I got this really small, these really small poly mailers. They were too small, but I decided to just keep them, because if somebody orders just lipsticks or just one lash, it'll fit. I've never used them. But you know, one day I'll never know. So yeah, I like using the I think it's a 6 by whatever, I don't know. So I'm going to show you guys how you can add different size poly mailers to your shipping settings. So when you're doing the order, you'll see a drop down near the shipping cost of the poly mailer that you're using, and you can switch it if you want. Okay, so in your Shopify settings, you want to go down here to settings, and then we're going to go on shipping and delivery. Okay, so now that we're in shipping and delivery, you're going to see the section called packages, and here are my saved packages. So I have my 10 by 6 by 6, that 8.5 by 11, and then that little small one, the 8 by 4. So if you wanted to, let's just say you had nothing here, they're going to default one for you when you start a store. You just want to click on add package right here, and you want to choose if it's a box or an envelope or a soft package. So let's say it's a poly mailer, you choose envelope, you put the length in, so let's say it's 10 by 15 inches, and then you also want to weigh it. So it's probably going to be in ounces if it's a poly mailer. They're super light, and you enter in the weight. You can call this envelope anything you want. You can put the size of it just so you know. Just choose a name so you'll know which type of package it is. So if you do have to use it, you know exactly which one it is, and you can check this box here that says set as default if you want to set that as your main one, and then press add package, and then that's it. Okay, so now that I showed you guys how I shipped out my biggest order that I ever got in my business, and showed you guys how to add different package sizing to the back end of your Shopify store, I hope that extra little tip with shipping really helped you guys out. All my other business owners out there, if you have a business, comment down below what you sell, what made you start your business, and if you have any other questions about running an online business. It'll be almost my 2-year anniversary with my business, NIRVANA Beauty, in November, so really excited about that. And I know I owe you guys another video with how to basically set up your website, so I will work on that with Shopify. Please wait on it. I will work on it. I've been like super swamped with lash extensions and just trying to manage everything. It's been crazy, but this week is a little slower pace, so I'm gonna get that video out for you guys along with other videos because I do hair care stuff. So I'm gonna have some other stuff coming too. And if you want to know more about my lash extension side of business, keep checking my channel. Make sure to subscribe because I will be dropping a video about how I made a good amount of money doing eyelash extensions on the side with a full-time job. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.